Hello all and welcome to our tutorial from Follow the Steps. In this video we'll use 4 steps that spell out LUDO to help plan a formal complaint email. So let's get started. Let's start with reading the question and instructions carefully. L. So, a new 24-hour gym opened near your home in Sheffield 1 month ago. Before it opened, your street and area had always been quiet at night, but now it's so noisy because of car doors slamming, loud conversations and music have been making it hard to sleep. So what you need to do is write a formal email to the manager. That is your audience. I'm going to write that just above it to remind us who we're writing to. So it's going to be to the manager of the gym, explaining how before it opened it had been peaceful and how now the noise has been affecting your health. You want to include the reason why you're writing, the issues the gym has been causing, how the noise has been bothering you, and what you'd like the manager to do about it. The key tenses to use: past perfect, talk about how quiet it had been before; present perfect continuous, to talk about the noise, how the noise has been happening recently and how it's still a problem. Remember to plan your writing first before using it to write sentences in paragraphs. Use a space to plan your writing in this box. So what we do at the end of that is tick off the L. Move on to the second bit. Underline the keywords so we don't forget anything in our answer. So, new 24-hour gym. Opened near your home in Sheffield 1 month ago. Before opened, street area always being quiet at night, but now so noisy, car door slamming, loud conversations, music, hard to sleep, making it hard to sleep. So to remind ourselves again, write formal email, manager of the gym, explaining how before opened had been peaceful and how now noise affecting your health. You want to include reason why writing, issues, problems, gym causing, how noise bothering you, and what like manager do about it. Remember the past perfect, think how it was before. Present perfect continuous, started in the past and still continuing now. Now we have to remember to plan writing first before we're using that to write sentences, paragraphs. Use a space, put an arrow there to remind us, plan writing. Good, we can now tick that off. Next part is decide what to write. This is the fun part where you brainstorm ideas you want to share. So we need like an opening. So we'll write opening here. As this is a formal email, someone we don't know, it's Dear Sir, Madam. We don't know their name, and it's a formal email. I'm going to straight away say why writing to them, and that is to make a complaint of noise. Moving on, the reason. So your gym, your new gym, it's just too noisy. So I'm writing down keywords. There's many problems because of it. And the one problem, the big problem really is you can't sleep. And because of that, because of car doors and loud music. These things are causing you to be unhappy. And before, the area was quiet, peaceful, it was safe. And it's not anymore. It's not now. That's the reason. Moving on to the issues, the problems. We want to be quite clear with the problems we want to share. So the health problems for you: sleeping, hypertension, all being caused by this new gym. Anger and crime has increased in the area. Now, it's how it's bothered you. It's how it's bothering you. It's really making me sad. And it's changed the area, and it's now worse. And it's not safe anymore for kids who live in the area. And the worry is that it's get worse. Now on to really what you want the manager to do about this problem. What to do. You want to inform customers, the customers of the gym, to be quiet when they're leaving. Which shows they respect the people who live in the area. At the end, we have an ending. And here we want to say, I hope to hear back from you soon. So just some key words to remind to turn into sentence later on. Hear back. And yours faithfully, because we don't know the person's name. Here's a formal email. And importantly, your full name. Okay, so that's a good third step. We're deciding what to write. Tick that off. So the final step is to organise your ideas clearly. Here we structure our plan so there's a good flow. We remember when to start a new paragraph, which helps the reader follow our words. So as you see, we put numbers along the sides. Each number is telling us when we're writing to start a new paragraph. So there you go, Ludo, helping you to write a useful email plan. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.